Yeah, 10 pin. Yeah. The story's always in permanent crossroad. Never know which way I'll go when it's Morse code. Light hands over my face, half dead state. Weight exacerbate, make me wanna hibernate. What difference it make? Just one man's fate. Well, that won't be known till the last coat of paint. Till then, lost, but somehow we'll overcome. Quart of rum, 2 blunts, relaxing in the evening sun. One day when I can finally own and can love others and don't want to always be alone. I'll look back at this storm inside my galaxy and it will make all seem unreal most probably. Live in Sydney but still feel like Bradford. But right now all I can do is move forward. Cause if I move any further backward, I'm gonna have to move back to fucking Blackwood.